in your garden to spread my roots. Wash me in your river of enlightened youth, fertilizing with the truth, 'cause I'm in the mood. Oh, plant me in your pot, made the burgundy clay, cover me in soil on a cool spring day. Move me from the shade, let me soak up your rays. 'Cause every good thing needs water to grow. Seeds need sown, a place to call home. Tangle me in your vines of love and gratitude, your positive attitude. The sanctuary holds no rules. I am loyal, I never look back. In this forest, yeah, we forge our own path. Oh, shower me in your cool spring rain. Negativity flow right out my drain. Float me down your river, no liquid can put out this flame. Oh, lead me to your waterfall so nice and cold, shivering so much you shake right out my mold. Into your arms, never let go of that hold. 'Cause every good thing needs water to grow. Seeds need sown, a place to call home. Tangle me in your vines of love and gratitude, your positive attitude. The sanctuary holds no rules. I am loyal, I never look back. In this forest, yeah, we forge our own path. As I lie here thinking of you, the ocean outside my room consumes all of my thoughts, bury them in sand. Like suddenly I am the luckiest man. From afar, down from the stars, think about fortunate we are. Feel so close, the world is our host. I'm here to make a candlelight toast. 'Cause every good thing needs water to grow. Seeds need sown, a place to call home. Entangle me in your vines of love and gratitude, your positive attitude. This sanctuary holds no rules. I am loyal, I never look back. In this forest, yeah, we forge our own path.